In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice to your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or someone just looking to enhance a presentation, adding audio can significantly boost your presentation's impact. So let's dive in and learn how to do it seamlessly. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your voice. Once you have it open, make your way over to the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the tools needed for adding various elements to your slides, including audio. Now look towards the upper right side of the toolbar and you'll see an audio icon. By clicking this, you're given two main options. You can either add audio from your existing files on your PC, or you can record your own voice right there and then. If you'd like to integrate an audio clip you've already prepared, select the Add Audio from PC option. This will open up a File Explorer window where you can navigate and select the audio clip you wish to use. Once selected, simply click OK and the audio will be added to your slide. For those wanting to record their voice, click on the Record Voice option. A record sound box will appear. Here, you'll want to type in a name for your audio file, something that will help you remember what it's about later on. To start recording, press the red record icon and begin speaking. You can stop your recording by pressing the square icon when you're done. After recording, it's a good idea to review the audio. You can do this by clicking the play icon. If you're not satisfied with how it sounds, don't worry, just click the red icon again to re-record until you're happy with the result. Once everything sounds perfect, click OK and your audio is now added to the slide. At this point, a small audio icon will appear on your slide. You can move this icon anywhere on the slide according to your preference. Click on this icon to access the audio format and further options. Navigate to the Playback tab. Here you can trim your audio, adjust fade in and fade out effects, and control volume levels to ensure everything fits perfectly with your slide timing and content. You have a few options for how the audio starts, in sequence with a click automatically, or only when the icon is clicked on. If you want your audio to persist across multiple slides, enabling the play and background option will ensure it plays seamlessly throughout your presentation, and there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now more engaging than ever with the addition of custom audio. Stay tuned for more presentation tips and tricks.